So here we have team number 50 in the Bondi Southead Roughwater race. How are they feeling before they actually take to the water?
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty fit. I've been warming up and training for what, a couple of days now. So ready for a big hit out, you know, 3 minutes in, 3 minutes out. It should be good.
Alright.
Well, my stomach is matching the ocean temperature at the moment. I'm really enjoying myself. Can't wait to. I'll just be back with you in a minute.
I'm keen for this swim, mate. It's going to be good. I'm going to be swimming behind my teammate here, and it's going to be a great day. Nice and relaxed.
Leading my 51st year, I've decided I've got early onset senile dementia, because otherwise I wouldn't be here. Looking forward to it. I just hope Doug's brought his shark fin just to keep us on our toes, make us go a bit faster.
And of course we've got to meet the man who's going to fight the sharks if we find any.
Well, I've got great faith in the team. Like I see, they've all been training well, so I think they'll be great.
Fantastic.
And just to,
There we go.
And just to recap the warning from the organisers, that there are a lot of sharks, but you can be reassured they're the type that'll just bite you and not saw you in half. So be encouraged by that.
Fantastic.